everybody, welcome back to a new video, and in today's video we will be doing part 3 of changing flags. And yes, I am thanking you so much. Right now I have 60 subscribers. We are so close to accomplishing my dream of getting 100 subscribers. So all thank you for all of the support and likes, and I want to do one shout out in today's video. Shout out to you, Indonesia Bowl, Indonesia Free Palestine. So yeah, big shout out to you, Indonesia Free Palestine. You're lucky to have a shout out, because it is quite rare. Anyways, this is what I did. Now, if we did this, 1 minute. What if Russia ever takes out Ukraine, this is what Ukraine's flag would look like as a state. Well, I don't think Russia has states. I believe so. Come on, shorten it. Anyways, yeah, that would be what it would look like if it was colonized by Russia. But yeah, we're gonna go to templates real quick, and yes, I'm super excited. We are getting so close to hitting 100. And please go to my community, because my community tab, and yeah. Because not much people have been going to my community tab. Oh, I never thought of doing this with Cuba, but Cuba is a communist country, because they were part of Soviet Union's help, and they still are Russia's help, and they're still a communist. So if they chose to take over America, I don't think that's ever going to happen either way. But either way, even if they did try, this is what their flag would look like. Because then they'd be the powerfulest and probably take over the whole world. But yeah. And this time I'm gonna go ahead and do, what shall we do? I just don't know. Greenland? I have been thinking of doing this. I think I already did it in part 1 or part 2, or probably just didn't do it on camera. But I was thinking of switching up their colors. You know what? Greenland! Dun 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 dun. But anyways, let's get back on night and don't forget. Oh, and sadly I'm going back to school, so I will not be posting that much. I was homeschooled, but I chose to retire back to school because homeschool was annoying. I only did it for 3 years, and then I went to normal school, and now I'm in homeschool, and in just like 2 days I'm going back to school. So yeah. But my school is great either way. And yeah, this is what it would look like flipped. Ooh, and if you please go and chat, and if you want to shout out, if you want to be shouted out, go to comments and say shout out, and I will shout you out in the next video. Only if you want to. Depends on if you comment and say shout. If you say shout in comments, I will, shout out your name in the next video. Anyways, I forgot about this country. I'm gonna change it up. Spears, like bird, I don't know. Reddish. Hey, that actually fits. Oh, and if it is your birthday, also put birthday in chat, and if it's your birthday and you put birthday in your chat, I will shout out your birthday and, yeah, sing happy birthday for you. Because I love my viewers. Yeah, that's what this would look like changed. What if I flipped it all? What's this? Anyways, we switched it up, and honestly, it's kind of confusing because it looks like it was that way in the first place. Anyways, I'm pretty sure I did this in part 2 already, but whatever. We're gonna change it up like this. This is a big change. And if you are watching Mexico right now, please type in chat Mexico. I don't get that much Mexicans. I don't think I've even gotten one yet. But yeah. Imagine if this was their new flag and they changed it. Honestly, I know there's a lot of robberies in Mexico, but I still really want to visit Mexico. I've never been there. I've never left my home country. And my home country is Russia right now. I'm in Russia because I was born here and I speak English and Russian. But whatever, let's get back to the video. I'm actually using a very, very old Dell mouse. So, plus it's not wireless, so there's a whole bunch of delays, which I hate delays, especially when you're working with a very old, broken down Dell mouse. And I actually got it from eBay, and they said it works, but it doesn't really much. Let's put stars here. Actually, that fits really well. 4 stars. Anyways, let's get back to our reel. And I thank you all for being very very pleasant to my channel, and for the subscribers. Thank you for the subscribes, yes. Yeah, big heart for, if you are watching this, this heart here is for you. Well, not really. Not actually. And let's say they added this. This is the Air Force badge. I believe for Germany, back in Nazi Germany, I'm pretty sure they use that. Anyways, let's get back to another flag. Let's go to templates. What is a flag we have not done yet? I know we have not done El Salvador. Never even heard of it, but let's do it. Anyways, so is this in North America? If you know where this country is, chat in comments what continent this flag is. I mean, this country is in, because I don't know. Let's say they did this. Oh, that actually looks like the country. I forgot the name. I don't know how to say it, but sorry, let's say this gold went completely blue. Actually, the blue looks better. No, the flags are blue. They're supposed to be red. Red. Yes, that is more like it. The red. Just like that. It really, really matches. But here, who wants proof that Poland is in every single flag? Especially your flag. Aww, man. You're saying, if I deleted this, and I went ahead and did this. This right here is Indonesia. Big shout out to you again, Indonesia. Well, free Palestine. But what if I did this? It's like I'm pulling up the red, but I'm not. Here you go. We got Poland. Yeah, we just completely transformed this to a brand new country, to Indonesia, to Poland. Wow. Ooh, we have not done Paraguay yet. I don't even know how to say it. But what if we did this? Hello there, Netherlands. Red. Wait, the white. Why don't they just put a white strip? Oh, that's genius. But not really genius at the same time if you want to transform it into a different country and try to use white. Unless you do this, it just adds more. You could literally just completely make it white. Indonesia. Again. I forgot, how do you make the Netherlands? Ah! Oh, wow, wow, wow. I don't think I was meant to do that. But now there is nothing except for this. Ha! It's completely white. Well, pixely. Ah! Hello there, Ukraine. Oh my gosh. Flags are just so easy to... I don't know what you should call it. Oh, you can see it again. Hello there. Oh, this reminds me of Minecraft. So you know how the turtle has an eye there and there? Hey, it's a, Netherlander turtle in Minecraft. Wow. Not anymore. Wait, we could just keep it this way and it's still gonna be the same except for here. And here. Or we could change that up. No, you cannot. And, my channel, it says that you guys are enjoying my videos. See ya. Oh, what do we do here? Oh. I think I know what America wants us to do. I know exactly what you want me to do. Oh, this is supposed to be white. Red. Red! No, oh, good. Oh, good. Jeez, that scared me. No, it didn't. Despite how America has a lot more strips than this, we're just gonna do it a different way. Anyways, that's done. We have not done... I don't know what else to do. Put in chat what countries I should do. But I just don't know what to do. Like, you know, that's the end of the video, y'all. Thank you for watching, and big shout out to you, Indonesia, Bala, Free Palestine. And, yeah, thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe, and share and comment. Bye.